I've been working on a major rebuild of Play Store Finder lately, and I would love to give you all a chance to try it out early. So you can find this new website at beta.playstorefinder.com. And my vision for the website hasn't actually changed at all. I've just been working on a different approach lately and would love to give you all a chance to check it out early. Honestly, it's no secret that the Google Play Store is poorly managed. And that's especially disheartening coming from a company that we know have been able to get good at surfacing content across the web. At least they used to be. On Play Store Finder, you can browse a specific category and then filter out every app or game that has in-app purchases. A great little feature to help zero in on the actual apps and games that you're looking for. Or you can browse through one of the categories and check for apps that do not have any ads. Some of these filters are not hooked up yet because I have to research some additional context, like games that offer controller support or games that do not require an internet connection. Then, the app details page here gives you a ton of information about the title. We can find the details from the Google Play Store here. The website itself will work to catalog these apps and games so that you can browse, search, and filter based on orientation, controller support, or if an online connection is required, and more. If you've used PlayStoreFinder.com in the past, then I think you'll feel right at home here. The website is still in beta as I work in to fill in the database with apps and games, so I do hope to be able to launch it once that database is full. And from there, I'll continue to work adding more titles and adding in more features. Because at the end of the day, the goal is to offer the user a way to find exactly what they're looking for in the Google Play Store. And I believe these advanced filtering options are going to be the key to this project, because we can see how Google promotes apps and games right now based on a number of predatory in-app purchases that are offered. And it's clear that the community deserves better. So now's your chance to try out the website early. And again, that website is beta.playstorefinder.com. And it'll stay located at this beta subdomain until I have all the apps, games, and features offered from the original site that's up right now.